Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel today. This is Henrichi. I appreciate you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about British pound, Japanese yen, and where price is possibly headed. Please note that nothing I say in this video is an investment advice, only to be used for educational and entertainment purpose. So if you watch my previous video where I talked about British pound, Japanese yen, I stated that I'm bullish on British pound, Japanese yen, and I stated that I want to see this high get taken. And as you can see today, after we had the high impact news on the British pound, we saw this impulsive move and it took this high. And previously I bought this British pound, Japanese yen right here, and I exited right here. That was my first trade on it. After this drop, the first buy position was around here, and I exited at this fair value gap right here. And after that, price came down. I didn't get to catch this buy, but it rallied and then it came down. I was able to catch another buy here, and when price came into this place on the 4-hour, you can see there's a fair value gap right here. When price came into there, because I marked it up and I was waiting to see if I'm gonna see any sort of rejection or break of structure in 5 minutes, and when I did see that in 5 minutes, a break of structure on the 5 minutes, I had to manually collapse the trade because I was seeing the price could possibly come down to fill this gap right here, and I collapsed it, and then price came down. And after we filled this gap right here, I still got in the long position, which went up, but I was kind of trailing my stop loss. And when price came down, when it used this week to take me off, because I had my stop loss around here and it took me out. After it took me out, I then still got an entry with this week right here coming down. And after I got the entry, it rallied right here. This candle right here without wicks was my target, because I was playing around with the 2 minutes time frame. It was a small time frame, so it wasn't really a lot of risk to reward ratio. It was probably around 1:2 risk to reward ratio. When price came in here, I was still watching it, and I traded my stop loss really tight, and there was actually high impact news on that day. And then price came down, took me out again, even though it took me out with some profit. And when it came down here, I still got in again on a long position and exited around this high. When price came in here, I just exited because I didn't really like how price left this imbalance right here, because on the 8th hour I was looking at it right here. So I was actually expecting the price was going to come down and fill it and then we'll continue, but it didn't. So I didn't get to get in on the trade to continue, because even though I was looking at this place, this fair value gap right here, and I was expecting the price could actually reject from here, but I was skeptical because I like to buy at a discounted position, because regardless of the fact that I'm bullish on it, I don't like to buy it high. Though my target remains the same, I want price to run through this high and even this high as well. No financial advice. That's my overall target on the British pound, Japanese yen. So moving forward, I'm going to be watching it and see if I can be able to get re-entries into the market, and then we'll continue to the upside. So guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this one today. I appreciate you for tuning in, and I'll be seeing you all next time. Have a lovely day.